guys, and welcome to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be doing the Ariana Grande fairy ring inspired makeup look. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe for more videos. So let's just get into it. So I'm just going to quickly just start by doing my foundation. My foundation is very basic, you know. I'm just using this Mary Kay foundation in the color Bronze 3, I think it was. And I'm just gonna quickly buff it in and everything. But before we get started, before I carry on and everything, did everyone see on I think it was on Twitter she did it, where Ariana got her, well, Ariana got a new tattoo. She basically got a new tattoo and she got it on her hands, and she wanted it to say 7 rings in Japanese, but it didn't say 7 rings in Japanese. It said Japanese barbecue. And literally all her fans and people ripped into her, and then she took it off Twitter, and then she went back and got a new tattoo to kind of resalvage it. I don't really know, but it ended up saying Japanese barbecue fingers. My question is, who are you going to that twice you've gotten to go get this tattoo, you got it fucked up again? Like, who are you going to? Like, it doesn't make sense. But yeah, and secondly, I feel like unless you think that language, don't really get a tattoo in a different language, just because you think it might say something else, but in reality it might say something completely different. So yeah, let's just get back to the makeup. Anyway, so I've done my foundation, I've also concealed with the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea in the color Deep concealer. And now I've gone to my eyebrows and I used the Music Flower eyebrow gel that I normally use, and now I'm just priming my eyes with the Evolution eye primer. So I'm just putting the base on and just preparing for my colors. So what I decided is to go in with this pink lipstick, which I don't know which brand it is because I kind of just borrowed it from my mum. But anyways, I'm just using this pink lipstick just to put it on the bottom as my base color for my eyeshadow. Well, not really my eyeshadow is what I use, but as my base color for what I want it to be, because you know, like from the music video, it's pink, purplish and blue, so I kind of focus around that area, but I don't really use the purplish color. But so what I ended up doing is going in with this Fake MAC blush, I think it was, and I used that to set the lipstick, and then I went in with this teal blue liquid lipstick, I think it is, from Tarte, and I'm just using it to create the, I guess, cut out my crease line, I think that's what it's called it. And then I'm just going in with this blue to just kind of make it more prominent, and then I want to kind of do kind of like a neon light type of effect makeup thing. So I'm going in with this white on top of that, and then I'm kind of gonna slightly buff it in with the remaining eyeshadow left on my brush that I used on the blue section. So that's what I'm doing, and now I'm just quickly just buffing off the excess powder that I've got on my face, and I'm just going in with this Ben Nye luxury powder in the color Nutmeg. And then now I'm gonna go in with this eyelash. This is like my favorite eyelash ever. Literally my favorite eyelash is by the Mink. You can find them on Instagram, so I'll make sure I link it down below. It's my favorite eyelash. It's only £12 for package and posting, so make sure you check them out. And then I'm just gonna highlight with the Revolution Duo highlighter. And before I go on my lips, I'm gonna be using this Pore lip balm, I think it is. And I'm just, you know, we can't have dry lips out here, we just can't. So we need to moisturize it before we put stuff on top. So like you will moisturize your face, you need to moisturize your lips. So I'm going in back with this teal lipstick that I used on my eyes, and I'm gonna outline my lips and then kind of use it as a lip liner, kind of, but not really. Then I'm gonna go back in with this pink lipstick that I used on my eyes as well, and that's gonna be like my middle color of my lip. and I'm gonna try and rub them together, blend them together kind of. But what I end up doing is I'm gonna also go back to with the blue eyeshadow, which kind of blends the blue and the pink back together. That makes sense? Am I making sense? I feel like I'm just rambling on, but anyways, yeah, so that's what I'm doing. And then I'm gonna go back in with this white eyeliner that I used on my eyes, which was from Revolution Pro. Yeah, Revolution Pro. So I'm gonna do the same thing that I did on my eyes now on my lips. And I'm gonna go back in with the brush with whatever's left on the brush and kind of just buff it out so there's not a harsh line, you know. And now I'm just gonna like I just felt like this lip look needed something else, so I'm just gonna put white dots all over the lips pretty much. Why do I want to do it? I don't know, I just felt like it needed something, and I felt like with the white dots it kind of worked, so let's just go with that. But yeah, this is pretty much the look. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know down below. But I do have some exciting videos coming out very soon, so make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my later video. Bye.